Please dream big as possible. What is the solution? Oral-B created the squish grip brush with a fat, squishy handle. It became the best-selling kids toothbrush in the world. Then comes the innovation design, the blueprint, the business plan. Some of you are very good at design thinking. Some of you are good at critical thinking, and then some of you would be very good at innovative thinking. That's how do we need to then market it, sell it. Acceptance goes up. How and all is the part in the innovation design. What is innovation design? Design thinking is nothing but the sketch, the user's dream. So right now, all of you are at a stage where you can dream. Some of you are very good at design thinking. Some of you are good at critical thinking, and then some of you would be very good at innovative thinking. This design thinking, the artist, and what is the human need? What was the need of removing the QWERTY keypad? Design thinking is nothing but the sketch, the user's dream. So right now, all of you are at a stage where you can dream. Please dream big as possible. When we look at the design thinking is a problem-solving approach that prioritizes the needs of human user about everything else. Instead of starting with what cool technology can we build, it starts with what problem does this person actually have. What is the solution? Oral-B created the squish grip brush with a fat, squishy handle. It became the best-selling kids toothbrush in the world. Now, ब्रश कम करते थे, so they used to play with that. उनके लिए वो खिलौना हो गया, और उस खिलौने के चक्कर में उन्होंने the best selling kids toothbrush in the world. हुआ क्या? सिर्फ एक डिजाइन थिंकिंग की वजह से what happened? The Oral-B company created something which was unique in the world, and they experienced what? Lot of financial wealth, na? And you all who are now studying here, please understand the life is quite long. The journey is challenging, but all of you have to think in a manner where you are able to create something which helps you solve a problem for the humankind. Design thinking is a problem-solving approach. Out of this whole group of people, 1, 2, 5, 10, you will become an entrepreneur from this design thinking concept only. Once you start doing what problem does this person or the humankind actually has, is where the solution starts coming up in terms of what all can we do is a design thinking. Now the 5 stages of design thinking we just saw: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. We saw that in the video also. I am just in favor of learning and growth. वो सबसे ज़रूरी है सबके लिए. Look how design thinking is shaping up. Now this ideate, the brainstorm. The brainstorm tells to push past obvious solution and find innovative angles. Obvious solution was QWERTY keypad, and new solution was another keypad which was there in the mobile, and whenever you needed, you brought it up. What does dexterity means? Point of understanding that वो ब्रश को यहीं से पकड़ के उसको करना है, मोबाइल फ़ोन को ऐसे पकड़ना है, शूज़ को ऐसे पहनना है, इधर वाला शूज़ इधर नहीं पहनना है, इधर वाला शूज़ इधर नहीं पहनना है, वो सब डेक्सटेरिटी होती है. If you dream big, you will be able to move yourself in that direction. The critical thinking is that filter the reality check. The critical thinking is another set of. Now, the core pillar of critical thinking is that you have to analyze, you have to evaluate, you have to inference, and then you have to self-regulate, and biasness to view the facts objectively. वो आपने बनाया है, अपने लिए नहीं है, वो humans के लिए, लोगों के लिए है. Understand, is there going to be an acceptance or not? Netflix का अपना कुछ है, इंटरनेट भी Netflix का नहीं है, उस पे जो मूवीज है वो भी उसकी नहीं है, उसकी OTT जो है वो भी उसके नहीं है, उसका कुछ नहीं है. But what is it doing? It is making money. Then comes the innovation design, the blueprint, the business plan. That how do we need to then market it, sell it. Acceptance goes up. How and all is the part in the innovation design. In the innovation design, that's the entrepreneur. Is there a business here? Is it making strategic? What is innovation design? Innovation design is the strategic process of designing something in such a sensible way that you are able to market it. You are able to financially gain, right? Those are few things which are very important under innovation design. While design thinking focuses on desirability, innovation design focuses on viability, and this innovation design talks about feasibility. Business side of life, you will see that any innovation which you are trying to do is nothing but invention and commercialization of that product. Result, they didn't build a bank. These Google Pay or Paytm, they don't have the bank. They have a linkage to this bank. And then they didn't build a bank, they built the rails that the entire country runs on. And today, those everything what you see are run very, very smoothly, systematically, without any fraud. And when to use which, use design thinking when problem is ambiguous, critical thinking when you have data and need to decide, innovation design when you need to launch to market. And the final thought is, innovation is not a lightning strike of a genius. It is a disciplined process of empathy, logic, and relentless testing.